Welcome back to Trading with CJ. We talk a lot about different penny stocks on this channel, but today we have a particular sector we're covering. We're looking at green penny stocks, okay? Penny stocks that are changing the world, helping move in more towards that environmentally friendly direction. We spoke about a lot of different green stocks on my channel, some of which are actually my favorite stocks I own and some of my largest positions. But today we have for you 3 green penny stocks, but I also going to chuck in a bonus one there, just out of the penny stock threshold as well, but it wouldn't be a green video for me without that particular stock. And if you appreciate these sorts of videos, please go ahead and smash a like and subscribe to my channel. Like I said, I've got 3 stocks today. I may have covered some before, I may have not. You'll find out in just a moment. Let's get into this. So the world is moving in an environmentally friendly direction, as we know. So that's why we're focusing on some of these stocks. All of these, without a doubt, are in growing markets, growing sectors. Well, the first one here is like no other penny stock that we've covered before. This is a wave energy company. It is renewable wave energy. So it's harnessing the power of waves, okay, to create that energy source. And it says here, a pioneer in ocean energy technology, ocean power technology, sustainable power generation and data capabilities with low and no carbon solutions allow for smarter and faster actionable insights as ocean operations become increasingly digitized. And the main product here is called the Power Buoy. And the Power Buoy became the company's first commercial product, and it's generating electricity by harnessing renewable energy of ocean waves. An amazing technology right here. We're trying to find different ways to get renewable energy, and this company has really found one for sure. This is the product, their main product anyway. They have a few, but this is the main one, the Power Buoy or the hybrid Power Buoy. Okay, there's 2 different types here. Obviously, one is hybrid energy, and this one, they say they are dependable, clean, and environmentally friendly Power Buoy products can enable existing and new technologies to operate in remote ocean locations. It really is exciting. I've not seen anything like this, and that's why I think this company is really good going forward. I have actually done a full stock analysis video on these, which I'll leave in the link in the description if you want to go ahead and check that out. I'm going to put up on screen here just a picture of some of their products. So you got the Power Buoy, which I just mentioned here, low maintenance, renewable wave power generation, and long deployments. Okay, you can stay out and sea for years on end. Hybrid Power Buoy, which is slightly shorter deployments, low wave energy as well, low maintenance, but with solar power. And then we have the surface surveillance solution. Now this is really interesting. This is like combating fishing, illegal fishing, etc., which is another massive environmentally problem. And then we have the solution engineering and support services, okay, helping to package operations, innovation, testing, marine services, etc. So this really is a good green company in my opinion. Like I say, I don't know any other company doing something like this. I'm going to put up on the screen here a pie chart. This is breaking down some of the different sectors they're in. The science and research, which is the 2 billion market cap. Communications, $500 million. Oil and gas, 2.5 billion. And then defense and security, okay, predominantly focusing on unregulated fishing prevention. A big environment problem right now with illegal fishing, etc., and too much overfishing as well, okay, 3.5 billion market. Now that is a massive market cap if you add up all of that put together. Now this company actually only has a market cap of 120 million, so it's got a lot of room to expand and grow into this market. And this is the very, very recent news, about a week or so ago. Ocean Power Technology deploys the Power Buoy for green power in Chile. So it is branching out and it is expanding into Chile. It's very early days for this company. They need to start getting these products out there. But you can see here, they now have one deployed in Chile. And if we look at the stock, it currently trades at the time of recording, it might look slightly different, for just over 240 per share. We are seeing a bit of a red day today. However, if we look at the month graph right here, we're down on the month anyway, 22.5%, which is kind of similar to a lot of penny stocks. Over the 6 month graph, we did actually see this one go up to over $5. It came $5.84 at one point. So from those highs, we're down about 58%. And that's really following 2 things. One is the downward trend in the penny stock sector right now, as of the last couple of months. And the second one here is generally energy stocks. With Biden getting into power, a lot of these started to see a lot of run up, but then because of that, they have started falling back. But that doesn't mean it's a bad thing. They're all still doing their green things, and they're all still looking to expand and grow in the sector. So, like I say, really cheap prices for me at this moment in time. It is not profitable. That's why we do not have a P ratio as well. But I think over time, give this one a few years, we could start to see this really innovate. There's not another company out there doing something similar to this, as far as I'm aware. And yeah, I really do think that here is an exciting sector going forward. So the first one up was OPTT. Second stock up on this list is one that I have spoke about quite a lot, so I'm not going to go into too much detail. We're talking about ABML, American Battery Metals. Now, you may see on the website here it says ABTC, because that will be changing to ABTC, American Battery Technology Company. But this is an American-owned company that is meeting the soaring global demand for lithium-ion battery technology with USA-made complete life cycle approach. In a nutshell, it breaks it down to three things here. It is recycling lithium-ion batteries to recover and reuse battery metals, the extraction of the battery metals from primary resources and development and green technologies can be deployed at scale, and exploration and stewardship of new mineral resources. That's the three main things that this company is focusing on. Now, with the growing demand of EV batteries, this is for sure in a growing sector. You can see here, lithium will continue to be a critical mineral for military applications and future research and development programs within the Defense Department. That's just one part of this opportunity right here. But like I say, EV really is taking over, and it is going absolutely insane right now, and it will be in years to come. Everybody's going to be moving towards EV in the next few years. Lithium ion battery, we need a way to recycle these batteries right here. ABML is doing just that, and it will be. They're planning on building a big plant, which we should be getting built towards the end of this year. That is their plans. It should be completed the building process by the end of 2021, and then by 2022 they hope to start getting out and ramping up the production. We actually had some really good news on that just a few days ago, and this was they submitted 3 new permit applications to the City of Fernley and Nevada division for the protection of its lithium-ion battery recycling plant. So they're getting underway with this. They're submitting the permits, waiting for this to come back through, but their plans are to get this built by the end of the year. I've covered this one numerous times as well. Links in the description. That was just a few days ago. Let's have a look at the stock price, because this one has been on a really bumpy ride if you are a shareholder in ABML. I just want to take you straight to the 6-month graph. This was actually trading at over $4 per share at one point, okay? 2nd of February, we was at $4.03 per share. From those highs, similar here to OPTT, we are down 57%. Okay, crazy drop off for 2 reasons. Again, penny stock market, green market, but also ABML didn't have help because it had short reports coming out. People were attacking this company, and the CEO was fighting back against this, and they've also got some lawyers involved now to prevent that happening again. So with everything going on, they also had the disadvantage of short reports coming out on this company. But it does currently have a market cap of less than $1 billion, just less than $1 billion, okay? So it's quite a high market cap for this one, but we are trading, you can see they're quite cheap prices, around $170 per share. Ticker symbol ABML will be changing to ABTC. The third company up here is kind of similar, okay, but it's in a different sector, so to speak. This is lead recycling. So we had lithium, now we've got lead recycling. This is actually Aqua Metals, ticker symbol AQMS. I spoke about this one, but it was quite a while ago now. We've not spoken about this one for a while, but I am still invested, guys. I am still invested in this one. Their mission is to increase global lead production without increasing emissions. Their breakthrough technology, Aqua Refining, delivers ultra-pure lead at high yield while reducing environmental footprint and permitting. They have this technology here called Aqua Refining Solutions, and they're basically going to be licensing this out to different countries all across the world to use this technology, as well as using it themselves as well. And you can see here, lead acid battery market is going to grow from 46.6 billion from back in 2015 to 85.5. That's pretty much doubled that in 2025. And lead batteries are the only 100 recyclable batteries available, and this company is involved in that market. Growing market for sure. Once again, you know, batteries, EV, etc. This is the way to go. Recycling is critical to keep pace with growing energy storage needs. And like I say here, the Aqua Refining system increases lead production without increasing emissions, which is what we want, okay? Lowering the emissions, increasing the production. This is exactly what you want in a company. Now, it can tap into all of these different sectors you've got here. The auto growth in emerging markets, China, India, South America, lead batteries for stock functionality. You've got renewable energy, of course, as we know about, data center and telecom industries, and then the EV. All growing sectors, all in the green markets as well, which this company can use. Now, it also had its financial results come out. This isn't not a profitable company. Once again, it's early stages, just like many of these companies. But it did receive an insurance payout of 1.4 million, and it's invested 1.5 into another company which we spoke about, which is a lithium-ion battery recycling innovator called 𝐏𝐚𝐭𝐫𝐞𝐿. And you can see it is actually currently making a net loss of 4.1 million for the quarter, compared to 4.4 or the year before. So yes, it's still making quite a big loss. However, like I say, as they want to ramp up production, which is their aims, we've covered this one, check out videos on this as well. Their aims is to ramp up the production and get some profitable going in this company. Currently has a market cap of less than 200 million, and at this time of recording, it trades for less than $3 per share. On the 6-month graph, you can see here we actually hit over $7 per share. Crazy highs for this one, down about 60%. Once again, following the trend of the market. But like I say, we do currently trade for less than $3. I think this is a really good price to get in at, okay? If you bought in at those highs, then you could use this time to average them down, because nothing has changed. Only good things are coming out around Aqua Metals. So that brings me on to my bonus one, which I'm not going to talk too much about. We're just going to literally show you the stock, because you'll notice by now if you follow my channel, we are of course talking about Gevo, ticker symbol GEVO. This is the big biofuel energy company, okay? It's looking to change the way the world is moving. Aviation fuel, jet fuel, boat fuel. Basically a fuel source that can go into any transportation right now. Ready to go into it. It's a biofuel. It can go into it right now. And they've got some big partners that they are working with as well. Not to mention they're also tapping into the agriculture side of things, animal feed, etc. Gevo is a company that I'm a massive fan of, okay? One of my largest positions. And yeah, good things keep coming out for this company as well. I haven't technically classed this as one of the penny stock because it does now have a market cap over that. It is over 1.3 billion, okay? So it's got quite a high market cap, but it does trade for about just less than $7 per share. We actually see this one go on an incredible run about mid-February, up to almost $15 per share. So yeah, it has considerably dropped off from those highs, but yeah, I really do think it can easily get to there again. I'm very bullish on this company. I've done so many different videos on Gevo on my channel, from everything that they do to the updates throughout this one, and catalyst videos. If you want to know the exact reasons that I love this company, check out my Gevo catalyst videos. But yeah, just a bonus one to chuck in there on today's green stocks, because it wouldn't be a green video for me without Gevo in it. But yeah, if you appreciate these videos, I'm also going to do a green stock video where they're not quite in the penny stock territory. They're outside of penny stock territory, but I really do think they are game changers as well. Each one of those is also in a different sector. Okay, so today we had lead recycling, wave energy, and lithium ion battery recycling, and biofuel bonus. So if you appreciate this, please go ahead and smash the like and subscribe to my channel as well. Thanks for watching, and until next time.